Are you ready for the quiz time? Okay, so I am going to ask you a few questions and then you are going to raise your hand to answer. That is the discipline of our workshop. You will raise your hand and then I will come to you, unmute you and ask the question. Do not forget to raise your hand using the option on your screen. Okay? So the first question is, which continent is the least populated continent? Yes, Arhan.
Antarctica.
Yes. Antarctica is the least populous continent on Earth. Now I want you to tell me which oceans surround the largest continent on Earth. Name the oceans that surround the largest continent on Earth. Yes, Garvit.
Ma'am, Indian Ocean.
I want to know the names of 3 oceans that surround the largest continent on Earth. Yes, Arohi.
Indian Ocean, Pacific Ocean, and Arctic Ocean.
Very good. Very good. And name the largest continent on Earth. Who will name the largest continent on Earth? Yes, Kavya.
Asia.
Very good. Asia is the largest continent on Earth. Now next, how many countries are there in Asia? How many countries are there in Asia? Quickly raise your hand. Yes, Chadvi. No cheating. Do not write it in the chat section. All the other people will know the answer. Charvi, unmute yourself to answer this question. Very good. There are 48 countries in Asia. Very good. Okay. Name the highest mountains of the world. Name the world's highest mountains. Yes, Shashmit. Yes, Shashmit, come on, speak up.
Ma'am.
Yes. Ishan, no cheating. Do not write it in the chat section. I know those who are raising their hand knows the answer. Let other children speak. Yes, Shashmit. Highest mountains in the world.
Yes.
No problem. Yes, Ishan, answer. You've already given me the answer.
Ma'am, can you please repeat the question?
Ishan, highest mountains in the world.
Himalayas.
Yes. Now, please pay attention. Ma'am is not going to repeat the question next time for you. Okay. Second largest continent on Earth. Second largest continent on Earth. Name this. Yes, Riyansh.
Ma'am, Africa.
Yes, that is Africa. Very nice. Now I want you to name the longest river on Earth. Longest river. Yes, Pragyavir.
Nile.
Yes,
Nile.
that's Nile. Very good. That's Nile. Now, which rainforest is the world's largest rainforest? World's largest rainforest. Yes, Kavyansh. Kavyansh, quickly tell me. Okay, no problem. Arhan, quickly tell me. Largest rainforest.
Rainforest.
Yes.
rainforest.
Amazon rainforest is world's largest rainforest. And where is it located? Where is Amazon rainforest situated? Yes, Punya. Where is no Ishan? That's wrong. Who's going to answer this? Where is Amazon River Basin, the world's largest rainforest, located? No, the answer is wrong, Prabhav. Yes, Kanishka.
Ma'am, America.
Which part of America? Which continent? You are going on the right track, Kanishka. Think and answer. Well tried. Yes, Anaya.
Ma'am, South America.
Perfect. South America. Good. So Amazon River Basin is located in South America. Now I want you to answer the driest place on earth. The driest place on earth. Name the driest place on earth. Yes, Aradhya.
Desert.
Okay, but which desert, beta? The deserts are usually dry. But which desert? You have to name the desert. I want other people also to answer. Okay, Garvit? Yes.
Ma'am, Sahara Desert.
No, beta, it is the largest hot desert. But it is not the hottest place on earth. Sahara Desert is the largest hot desert in the world. But I want you to name the hottest place on earth. Yes, Manotej.
Ma'am, Atacama.
Yes.
Atacama Desert.
Very good. Atacama Desert is the world's hottest place on earth. Okay, now let's move to the next question. Where is Niagara Falls located? Where are Niagara Falls located? In which country it is? Yes, Akshat.
Ma'am,
Where are
Canada,
Niagara
US.
Falls? Yes, Canada. It is located in Canada. Okay, now moving on to the next question. Let's move to the next question, children. How many countries are there in the continent Europe? How many countries does the continent Europe have? Yes, Punya.
Ma'am, 50 countries.
Very good. There are 50 countries in Europe. Now, name the highest waterfall of the world. Highest waterfall. Only 2 hands up. No, I have lots of hands up here. Okay, I am going to ask this question to who didn't get a turn. Shashmit, you want to answer? You have raised your hand. Highest waterfall.
Angel Fall.
Yes. Angel Falls. And where is it located? Where are Angel Falls located? Yes, Sarthak. Sarthak, where is it?
Ma'am, USA.
South America. It is in South America. Okay. Now I want you to name the largest country in the world. Largest country in the world. Yes, Pragyavir.
America.
No, it's not the largest country in the world. Yes, Manikant.
Australia.
No, Australia is the smallest continent. Yes, Krisha, the country.
Ma'am, China.
No. You didn't watch the video,
Ma'am,
carefully.
Russia.
Yes, that's
Ma'am,
Russia.
Russia.
Yes, it's Russia. Russia is the largest country in the world. Who can tell me the capital of this country? Can you name the capital of this country? Anyone? Capital of Russia. I want other children to participate as well. Yes, Charvi.
Ma'am, Moscow.
No. Think. You must have heard it before.
Oscar.
No. Okay, Manotej, yes.
Ma'am.
Oscar is not a country. Moscow, yes. Yes, Moscow is correct. Moscow is the capital of Australia. Okay. Now name the smallest country in the world. Name the smallest country in the world. I am going to throw this question to I am not able to see Prabhav, Trisha, Manotej. Come on, quickly turn on your cameras. You're not visible. Smallest country on earth. I want somebody else to answer. You all have got a good chance to speak up. The children who are speaking. And you're using the chat section as well. I can see that you're answering. Yes, Nikunj? Speak up, Nikunj. Okay, I have received lots of answers in the chat section. It is Vatican City. The smallest country in the world is Vatican City. Okay, now the last question. Last question related to continents here is, which ocean surrounds the world's windiest, driest and least populated continent? Charvi, it is okay, beta. I couldn't hear you properly. You were correct. Okay. So I want you to tell me which ocean surrounds the world's windiest, driest and least populated continent. Yes, Shashmit.
Ma'am, Australia.
No, beta, I want you to name the ocean. Which ocean surrounds the world's windiest, driest and least populated continent? Yes, Savya.
Southern Ocean.
Very good. Southern Ocean surrounds the world's most windiest, driest and least populated continent, which is Antarctica. And which what animals are there in Antarctica? Yes, Manikant. Where is Manikant? Let me find out, Manikant. Yes, Manikant.
Penguins.
Yes, penguins live in Antarctica. Okay, I have got so many answers in the chat section, children. That's really nice. So we will quickly recap now. I want somebody to quickly recap for me about the continent Asia. What all we have learned about the continent Asia? Who is going to recap that for me? Ishan, I want you to quickly tell us the facts. Highlight the facts about Asia.
Ma'am, Asia is the largest continent in the world.
Right?
And its largest tourist destination. The largest tourist destinations are
The most famous
the
tourist destinations, rather.
Great Wall of China
Right?
and the Mahal from India.
And where is Taj Mahal located in India?
Ma'am, Agra.
Yes. What else about Asia we have learned?
Ma'am, it is surrounded by the Pacific Ocean, the Arctic Ocean, and Indian Ocean.
Perfect. What else? The highest mountains?
Ma'am, Himalayas.
Yes. So Himalayas are located in Asia, right?
And Kashmir.
And what are like how many countries are there in Asia?
48.
Good. 48 countries are there in Asia. Very good, Ishan. Thank you so much. Now I will come to Manotej to recap Africa. Manotej, come on. Give us a quick recap of Africa.
Africa is the second popular country.
It is the second largest continent, right?
Second continent.
Right.
It is.
How many countries does it have? How many countries are there in Africa? 54 countries are there in Africa. And which is the largest country in Africa? Algeria is the largest country in Africa. Very well tried, Manotej. Now, Akshat. Akshat.
Yes, ma'am.
So, in Africa, there is a river located in Africa that flows in Africa, and it is the world's longest river. What is the name of that river?
Nile, ma'am.
Yes, the Nile River flows in Africa, and it is world's longest river. And there is the world's largest hot desert in Africa. Which desert is that?
Yeah.
World's largest hot desert. Sahara
Huh?
Desert. Very good. So Sahara Desert is world's largest hot desert. Now let's move on to the next continent, which is North America. North America has 23 countries, and it has Niagara Falls, which is located in Canada. Now coming on to South America. South America, it has the world's largest river by volume, which is Amazon River. It has world's highest waterfall, which is Angel Falls. It has the world's driest place, the driest place on earth, which is Atacama Desert. And it has world's largest rainforest, which is Amazon River Basin. Now coming on to Antarctica, we have already revised it. It is covered by Southern Ocean, and it is world's windiest, driest, and least populated continent. Now coming into Europe, Europe has world's largest and smallest city in it, which is Russia, the largest country, and smallest country is Vatican City. Both are located in the continent Europe. And Australia, it is the smallest continent, right? Australia is the smallest continent by area, and it is famous for its kangaroos and the wildlife. So this was all about today's session. I hope you all enjoyed it. Did you all enjoy it? Say aloud yes, so that even I will become happy. Did you all enjoy the session?
Yes.
Okay. Even I enjoyed it a lot. It was fun.